Hey there my dudes, I am Laddie and welcome to another video. So as you can see in this Monday update of my new sort of healthy lifestyle, I am doing my protein shake slash smoothie video, and I think they're just really useful for getting the protein intake if you're trying to build muscle mass. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and more to come in the future. Enjoy. Bye bye. So good. Oh my god. So good. That's nice. Let's get exercising. Okay, well, that was a moderate workout. I just put it into the app, telling the app that it was only a moderate workout. I'd say light to moderate, to be fair. Really, I felt challenged, not with any of the other stuff. So the body lunges I can do. Maybe I can put more work into them to make it harder for me. But the one thing that I found so hard that is killing me right now is my wrists. If you look at my arms, they're actually very thin. They're very small here. They're very thin and small here. So all of that pressure that I've been doing recently with these press-ups on my arms and my shoulders have been killing my arms and my shoulders. Not really in a good way, in the sort of way I already have repetitive stress RSI, so I've been having to wear a bandage on my arm all day because I haven't been able to pick up things properly or move my hands. I've got my hands have been really hurting from trying to do press-ups because I don't think I'm strong enough or I have enough support in them when I'm doing the press-ups. It just hurts them, and my shoulders have been crunching during the press-ups, and I've been doing the right, format or anything, but yeah. I've also got an injury on my foot. It's a trapped nerve, so it's definitely getting to me at the moment, but I am continuing going. You guys saw my smoothie. I'm actually going to continue drinking it so I can get all of the protein. And I'm actually just about to eat some food, so I'll show you what I'm cooking. So good. So right now I am just cooking up some fish with a bit of seasoning and very thin battering. Hardly any battering at all because you don't want the battering in there. And then I'm also going to have some carrot and swede mash, which I think is better than normal mash. So that is what I am having, and I'm going to make up a little bit of sauce, pepper sauce, and see how that tastes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it, and I hope you guys can make the protein and shakes and smoothies alongside me. Please like, comment and subscribe if you want more of these videos and some of my other goofy videos. Social media links are in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.